what you are taking back home? What was outstanding during your visit?
The visit to Nigeria was very successful, and I'm very happy to see that many of the youth, when we give lectures, they are very enthusiastic and they are eager to come to listen to our lectures. It is very happy when you see Muslims, they are eager to come to listen to our lectures, and I hope that I come to Nigeria more often in order to deliver more lectures so that the Christians and the Muslims, they can live harmoniously. And during the lectures we saw that during my father's lecture yesterday, for example, in Abuja, there were several non-Muslims who had queued up to ask questions. Many of the questions, they were good and enthusiastic questions. So we see that the non-Muslims, they are also attracted and they want to learn more about Islam. That gives us happiness, because we Muslims know that Islam, it is a religion of peace, and it calls and it exhorts its followers towards peace.
Right.
So I hope to visit Nigeria more often and have more lectures so that the youth, inshallah, can work together and we can live in a peaceful manner.
Thank you very much, Fariq Naik, for talking to us on Daily Politics.
It's a pleasure.
We appreciate your coming.
Thank you very much.